Today we have an iPhone 11. It has many problems like True Tone disabled, Face ID disabled, ear proximity isn't working. So we are going to solve the problems after the intro. After disassembling the phone, we found front flex connector is broken on the motherboard. Now totally disassemble the motherboard from the phone body, to set it on the microscope. Adding protecting tape for protecting other components from heat. Let's go to the microscope. Firstly, we remove the connector from the motherboard. Now cleaning the surface to install a new connector on it. Now install the new connector. Now assemble all the parts. Checking the true tone. Checking ear proximity sensor. Now checking Face ID. All are okay now. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe, hit the like button, and comment in the comment section.